So your local farmers market is a great source for picking and choosing whole foods such as vegetables, fruits, nuts, and grains. We have bok choy here. This is very easy to prepare. Saute a little bit in olive oil with garlic, a little soy sauce, you're ready to go. And mustard greens, green onions, cilantro. Look at this fresh Japanese eggplant. This is very easy to prepare too. Look at these red, delicious organic apples. They look like they're recently just been picked. And that's what you want with whole foods. The sooner you eat the whole food, the better it is. You know, if you wait till it's been processed, thrown on a truck, then it's days and days until it reaches your market. Then by the time they unpack it, by the time you come around to buy it, the food has been off of its origins, off of the tree for 2 or 3 weeks. What happens after you pick an apple, just like after you pick a rose or a flower, it starts to go through the death process. It starts to die. So whole foods are best when they're eaten as soon as you can get them. Look what I just found at the farmer's market, macadamia nuts in their original form. That's really cool. I've never seen macadamia nuts. And so this is a whole food right there.
Aloha, I'm Papa Bono from Maui, Hawaii. I come over here introducing my macadamia nuts. You asked about the macadamia nuts in the shell, and I'm going to show you how you crack the macadamia. You look right down here, folks. And if you do it correctly, you come up with a whole one. And since you're doing all the work behind that mic over there, you ought to have yourself a breakfast there. The macadamia nut, it has 92% of the oil is monounsaturated. So it's the good guys, huh? Good guys, right. It is the macadamia nut is the nut of the future, and we also have the oils. Macadamia nut oil, of course, is good for the heart. If you like a little spice in your life, we have what we call Pele's fire, which over there the Portuguese love because it's a hot thing, and over here the Hispanics like because it's a hot stuff, right? Then we have a nice slow thing called the Italian herbs, Kauai herbs. And that's the story of Papa Bono's macadamia nut.
That's great. Now, are these nuts the organic? Are there any?
All organic, all organic. We can't afford the pesticides, never could.